Hi friends, today I am going to prepare masala makhana. I will start the process. This I have kept some makhana here and I am going to put fire on the gas. So here I have kept one pot and I'll add a little ghee on it. So we will wait until the ghee gets heated and then we will add this makhana to it. So now I can feel the the ghee is properly heated. So I'm going to add this makhana. Okay, I'm going to stir it continuously until it gets crispy. Remember, we need to put in medium flame. So as I said, I am going to prepare masala makhana. Here I have taken black salt, then roasted chili powder. Then here I have taken chaat masala, and here I have taken roasted cumin powder, and here a piece of butter. So what I am going to do is, now this is almost fried. Okay, so I'm gonna add all those masala to it. Then we'll mix it properly. After this, I'll add the piece of butter. So the butter will give a better flavor to it. This we can make very easily in less time, and we can eat during any kind of fasting. So it gives lot of protein and energy. It's a very nice recipe. So stir it until it gets crispiness in it. So now the crispiness has come. We'll put up the fire and we'll serve it in a plate. So here the masala makhana is ready. Thank you for watching.